So I went out and bought me one of these pecan gatherers. This one cost me $46.79. I don't know if you guys this is recording or not. Yes, it is. I deserve to splurge every once in a while and get myself something. And so, this thing seems to work pretty good. Except for when you get into sticks and limbs and stuff. And then what happens is you think you're picking up one pecan and it's actually dumping your load. But let's see if I can get these without dumping my load. Anyway, I do this to give me exercise, but I also give a lot of the pecans away. Like where I bought this tool at, there's a guy that works there who he's got a bum leg, I'll say that, and I give him the pecans about every year, because A, he works, and B, I do this for exercise, and, you know, like I said, I give a lot of this stuff away. To get rid of the pecans, you have to spread these wires open to dump your load. I hope y'all saw that. Give me a thumbs up, and may God bless each and every one of you.